let's forget about this foolishness. And though I never ask for forgiveness, when I pray to him, here's some things I might say to him. Lord, thank you for my wife, my father, and mom. And God, thank you for my daughter and son. You know the devil, he's been doing is wrong. And I love both of my kids, but their mama can't raise them alone. Yo, I just want them better understand this. There's gotta be another way to handle it. Well, we got to be mature about it. We both made our mistakes, and can't no one get us out of it. My little girl's a little lady. You know she often that crazy, she's still my baby. And I anticipate the day that I can see the smile on her face when she meet me. You gotta believe. That's right. Here to show you the way, okay. Here to show you the way, just leave. Shine your heart.
America has a problem.
You see the problem with the world is there's way too many faces and way too many races. They didn't even manage to modernize slavery, and they cloning little babies, keeping people going crazy. White America's on high alert. Black America still starving, living in public housing. You still eating off your food stamps. That's why 1 out of every 3 black boys end up in boot camp. And not to mention the ones we'll be missing. But let's face it, everybody can't make it. Everybody won't escape it. But if it's thug life we live, then thug life it is. And just remember, something gotta give. That's why so many die, so little live. I can't explain it, but that's how it is. God forbid, but it is what it is. Hold on. Dream and believe in it. Sure. I know. He'll show you the way. He'll show you the way. He'll show you the way. Have mercy on them, for the young and dumb. That's why I come to pray for them. Though some of us are better than